Hey guys, welcome to Computer Science with Mr. Green. I am Vishu Kamble, and in this video we are going to learn how to install Ubuntu 14.04 in a virtual machine. Now in the last video we created a new virtual machine and we also configured it to 2 GB RAM. We increased the processor. We selected the optical drive for this virtual machine, which is the ISO image of Ubuntu 14.04. We also changed the network from NAT to bridge. It was NAT earlier, we changed it to bridge. And as I told you, I'm going to explain this later in the later videos. So let's start this virtual machine and click on start. You can also start it from machine and start, normal start. You can see the preview of the virtual machine here, like whatever is going on will be visible in the preview section. And one more important thing, like if you want to move the cursor inside the virtual machine, you have to press right control and then you can see the cursor here. But once it goes in and you need to come out of the virtual machine and use the cursor on your base operating machine, you have to press right control to release the cursor. And installation of Ubuntu 14.04 in a virtual machine is same as installation in any general machine. There's nothing fancy about this. The only thing is your Windows is still running while you're installing because you are on a virtual machine and not on the main machine. So we are going to click on install Ubuntu. It like the settings is well configured. You can also select this, but I would not recommend to download updates because this is a 14.04 version. Currently Ubuntu 15.04 is on the market and there would be lot of updates available and it would keep on downloading. So just click on continue. Since the virtual hard disk is completely free and new, I can erase the disk and install Ubuntu. I can also encrypt the new Ubuntu installation for security. And I need to tell you this, that this encryption is different from the encryption that is here. So if you enable encryption, you can you can modify the settings only when the virtual machine is turned off. You can't do this when the virtual machine is running. So all these options are disabled. So this encryption is different from this encryption. This encryption will encrypt your virtual machine and this encryption will encrypt this virtual machine. So if you try to run this virtual machine in some other like other VirtualBox, you will have to put the you will have to put the password that you put while enabling the encryption option. So the installation is complete, but I just thought to share with you guys what the encryption in the virtual machine is, like this encryption. So you can check the official documentation and it says that Oracle VM VirtualBox file allows for encrypted virtual disk images. So this will basically ask you a password and encrypt your VDI files, I guess. No, like it will just encrypt the virtual machine files and it will ask your password whenever you start it. And since we have also selected encryption in this machine, if we didn't select it, the files would be still encrypted. I guess I may be wrong. You can put it in the comment section if I'm wrong. And we just have to restart now. You can go through this here. I will provide this link in the description. There are various new features here. Just go through it once. So it says please remove installation media and close the tray if any, then press enter. So we need to remove the optical drive, and it has already removed, but if you want to remove it manually, you can select it from here and select remove virtual drive. Since we don't have anything right now, this option is disabled, and you just need to press enter. You can see the preview here, and let us maximize this. So it is asking me for the passphrase. Since we encrypted the virtual machine, not the main one, the machine that we were installing, so I need to enter the passphrase, and only now the virtual machine will start. And until then, yeah, I can show you these settings. So this is the hard disk, and you can see it's written SATA port 0 and location of the VDI file. This is the optical disk file. Since we don't have anything there, it's blank. This is the network, which is our bridge adapter. This is the USB cable device. This is monitor, I guess. No, this is video memory. This is video capture. So if you enable the capture here in display video capture, and you enable this here, you will see this small icon rotating showing that the video is being captured. And this is about guest operating system. So let us just start the virtual machine. And this is what I was telling you before, right control. You can use right control to get out of the virtual machine. And there you are, your new virtual machine is all ready, and I will show you by opening some applications. The internet is working. This is the main menu of Ubuntu. You can search for various things here, and if you press right control and F, which is the shortcut key for full screen, host here means right control. So host and F is right control and F. So if you press this, you will enter full screen mode, but the full screen mode also shows only this much of the area. And just to show you that the virtual machine is all up and running, and the internet is also running. So there you are, your virtual machine is up, and I will tell you about the how to make this full screen in the next video. So keep checking it out, guys. Thank you for watching.